254 Snug Moon. Ooh, you've just exposed yourself to having an alt on Roblox. What on earth is that?
Wait, what is it?
There's a video called A Very Solomon Video to AB Trains regarding some issues. Right, let's take a listen. What on earth was that?
Adam, why don't you like Queen?
I do, but just can we not have any music? Is he having some mental breakdown or something? Right. Sounds like he's having a mental breakdown. Oh my god. What on earth was that? What on earth was... He was like, Adam, you're the best game gunner. It looks like he's having a mental breakdown, but he's acting like me, all autistic. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness a person...
Oh my good god of mine.
My good lord.
Adam, why don't you like Queen?
Imagine it being an rape version. Yes, Beam Lagland. Or sounded like you were having an autistic mental... A very solemn video to AB Trades regarding some issues by Toe Sugger.
Yes.
Beam Lagland.
Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah, Adam, I've got 3 titles for you to choose from. Adam, are you gonna read them? Adam!
Can't you see I'm dancing here, Lewis?
No, I can't see you.
Hit it!
Yo, Snowball, you got shit. Oh, the only ones you can get is copyrighted ones. You have got no brain cells. You are fucking deluded, you prick. You've got no brain cells, like you brain dead in there.
Oh, stop being too dramatic, Kent Rail.